So if you're new to knitting, you may get a little bit lost as you're working this. Let's say that you put your work down and you come back later and you can't remember where you are in your row. So you can look at the stitch that you just worked. So if you look at your right hand needle, the lastmost stitch, which is this one right here, has a bump on the front of it. So that means it was a purl versus this one, which has kind of a hole in front of it. So you can tell that this is a purl because the bump goes all the way up towards the needle. And this one is a knit because it has kind of a hole right below the needle. So if I've just worked a knit, then I need to do a purl. For seed stitch, you never put two knits or two purls next to each other. You always alternate one after the other. So if you work a knit, your next stitch needs to be a purl. And then we've just worked a purl because you can see the bump right up against the needle. So we need to do the opposite and we need to knit. And then another way is to look at the left hand needle and look at the first stitch on your left hand needle. Kind of the same concept. So there's kind of more of a kind of like a V shape with our next stitch. There's like a more noticeable hole, and then there's kind of two bars on either side of it. So this is a knit stitch, so we need to do a purl stitch. And then this one has a purl bump right up against the needle. So this was a purl. So we need to do the opposite. So we need to knit. This tutorial is a clip from a longer seed stitch baby blanket pattern. You can find that video linked here. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.